Hello everybody, today we're talking about Cintas Yelp reviews. If you are currently researching uniform rental companies because you want to sign a new contract, and maybe you possibly Googled Cintas Yelp reviews, and you're looking at all these reviews right now, they're like 1.8, 1.5, 1.2. Lucky if you find a Cintas company that has 2.0. And if you go over and you look at that same uniform rental vendor, you'll find out that their Google reviews are like 4.4. So what's the deal with that? Why really low on Yelp? Because it's hard to fake the Yelp reviews, and it's a lot easier nowadays. Although Google is cracking down on it, but it's a lot easier to fake the Google reviews. A lot less people have Yelp accounts and so forth. So, but if you're looking to negotiate your uniform rental contract, or if you're just researching your vendor because you got a notice to go to arbitration, or because you wanted to cancel them, or because you were going to leave them a review, well then, hey, give me a call. My name's Eddie. I'm a uniform rental expert and a consultant. I help people to cancel their uniform rental contracts, and I do a lot of other things, but I help to write legal letters and so forth. I can give you tips on how you can save yourself a lot of money and save yourself a lot of grief of dealing with these uniform rental companies. So if you got any questions, give me a call. Any questions, any future videos you want me to put, just go ahead and leave them in the remarks there. But like and subscribe, and I'm going to be bringing out more videos. Okay, guys? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.